Good afternoon, everybody. This is Train Lover 123 # Trains Rock. Milepost 261.43. Look at all these gate runners that I see surrounding the area. We have FEC train 206 coming now. 206 is originally 202, but they've updated the schedule, so now 202 is now 206. So this is FEC train 206 with the 803 in the lead. I could tell who this is. Hey, David! Woo! 803, 810, and 300. 803, 300, and the 810. My Lord, look at 202. Look at 206 flying now. Suck, beat that core zone. David Shelley does not hit me. Ha! I knew you were wrong. Oh, God. These G-Bows are really starting to show their age. They cause a lot of exhaust to come. I knew that was David Shelley. That was fun. Oh, boy. That was fun. This is FEC train 206. 206 was originally 202. So they've gone through a schedule change. So train 202 is now this 206. Train 101 is 105. Thank you, Mr. ECH. As always, good to see you. Howdy, good to see ya. It's like an art parade passing through here. Wow. I can feel the wind coming from the train like it's bad. I'm being blown away by the train. Here come the auto racks. CSX, Norfolk Southern, Canadian National, Canadian Pacific, Union Pacific, don't know that one. Kansas City Southern, New Mexico. This is the Mexico one. Gondola cars. Another set of auto rack cars. Interesting. And here come the tanker cars. Wow, that's a lot of wind from this train. Well, there goes train 202, or 206, pardon me, with 8